How to increase Snapchat score. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can increase your Snapchat overall score. So without any further ado, let us get right into it. So here's the thing that you should know about Snapchat scores. It is increased by 1 point for every snap that you send or receive. Now the question of how you can increase your Snapchat scores. So if you would like to increase your Snapchat scores, you have to increase the number of snaps you send. As you send or receive more and more snaps, it will add up to your streaks and it will maintain a streaks with your friends by sending consecutive day by day snaps. You could also post stories and that will allow you to interact with a wide audience. More views on your stories means that more points has been added to your Snapchat scores. Also, be sure to join Snapchat group chats and send snaps within them. Group chats contribute to your snap score just like individual snaps. You can also use other Snapchat features, such as Snapchat features like filters, lenses, and stickers in your snaps. Using such features can make your snaps more engaging and increase interaction, thus boosting your score. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.